So good afternoon to one and all. Today we are going to study our addition chapter. So today we are going to study a new topic, that is addition properties. Maybe you already studied in your first standard, isn't it? Addition properties. So today we are going to study addition properties. Okay. So do you remember the addition properties which we studied in first standard?
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So listen, there are three properties of addition. Okay. There are three properties of addition. The first one is zero property. What is that? Zero property of addition. So in the name itself, you can understand what is the number. What is the number? Zero. Isn't it? Yes. So can you tell me, when we are adding a number by zero, what will be the answer?
We get the same number.
Yes, correct. The same number we are getting, isn't it? That is zero property of addition. Very simple. When we are adding a number by zero, we will get that number itself. That is known as zero property of addition. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So what is zero property of addition? When we are adding a number by zero, we will get the answer as the same number. Okay, everyone? Yes. The next point is after number property. What is that after number property? After number. That means when we will get the number after, when we are adding one. Yes, yes, correct. So when we are adding a number by 1, you will get the number just after it. For example, 7 plus 1. What is the answer? 7 plus 1? 8. Okay, 8. And what is the answer of 29 plus 1?
30.
30. Yes. 29 plus 1 is 30. So whatever will be the number, when you are adding this number by 1, you will get the just after number. And the last property is commutative property. What is the name? Commutative property. What is commutative property? I will explain. I'm going to give one question. 4 plus 1. What is the answer of 4 plus 1? 5. Okay. Then I'm going to change the order. I'm going to change the order. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. That is also 5, isn't it? 1 plus 4 is also 5. 4 plus 1 is also 5. So what we done here? We just changed the order of the numbers. Right? We just changed the order of the numbers, but we got the same answer. Isn't it? Again, when we are changing the order of the numbers, we will get the answer, same answer. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 4 is also 5. So what we done here? We just changed the order of the numbers, but we get the same answer. That is commutative property of addition. Okay, that is commutative property of addition. So now I will show you one video. Please watch it. Okay, children. So please take your notebook. We will write some notes today. All of you, please open your notebook. We are going to write today's topic, that is properties of addition.
Ma'am, fresh page take?
Yes, yes. Take a fresh page.
Ma'am, which book, ma'am?
Which period now? Which period now? Max period. So which book you have to take? Which book you have to take?
Max book.
Max book. Take your max notebook. Okay. Take your
Hear you, ma'am.
take your maths notebook.
Cannot hear you, ma'am.
What happened, Prithvi? What about others? Others all can hear properly. Only Prithvi is having some problem today.
Oh, but your voice
I
is like
can
stuck.
hear, ma'am.
Some maybe Prithvi is facing some network issue. That's why. Please take a fresh page, everyone. And to write today's date. What is the date today?
29.
Yes. So write 29. 29/10/2021.
Ma'am, press page.
Take a new page.
29.
And after that, write properties of addition.
Good not right, ma'am.
Please mute everyone. Please mute your mic. Properties of addition.
Ma'am, no, right?
Write. Start writing.
Okay.
Properties of addition.
Ma'am, right?
Write. Start writing. Write today's date and write. Nilha, please start writing, my dear.
Ma'am,
Yes. What is the spelling? Properties. Properties of addition. Elroy? Elroy, finish. Elroy Joby?
ma'am, properties spelling.
Properties. Properties of addition.
Done, ma'am.
Then write. Okay. Those who finish, no need to tell like this way. I can understand. Please wait for the next. Okay, I will write. First property is zero property.
Ma'am, not here.
Zero property.
Ma'am, you are right. Not here the board.
Write fast. Zero. Zero.
Ma'am, not see the board. You are right. Ma'am, when you are writing in your screen, it's only coming. In the share screenshot coming, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am, when you are writing the board, it's only coming in your board. Okay, sometimes coming in our screen.
Okay. So you have to wait. It will come there. Okay. Maybe you are facing any network problem. That's why.
Ma'am,
Zero property.
I also have that.
Okay. Please write it.
Board is clear.
So write. What is the explanation of the zero property? When we add zero to a number, the sum is the number itself. Please write in neat handwriting. Zero property. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. Lakshana, please take your maths notebook and take a new page. Write today's date and start writing. Today we are...
Ma'am, to finish.
Yes, right. Properties of addition, today's topic.
Ma'am, next.
Wait, let them finish. And
Ma'am.
yes, who is that? The sound is breaking, my dear.
Elvin.
Elvin, your voice is not clear. Who is this Sona? Please tell your name, my dear. Sona. Who is there in the name Sona?
I don't see the board.
Yes. Who? Elvin. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
this is my name.
Okay. Understood.
Share.
So, Fardeen, please tell one example for zero property. Please tell any number by adding by zero. Fardeen, I am asking to Fardeen. Others, please be silent. Any number plus zero. Any two-digit number you can tell.
12 plus 0.
Yes, 12 plus 0. What is the answer? 12 plus 0? 12 itself. Okay, very good, Fardeen. Very good. Hamdan, please unmute.
Ma'am, next.
Please tell one another example.
Yes, ma'am. 15 plus 0.
Yes, once more.
15 plus 0.
15 plus 0 is equal to
50.
15. Okay, correct answer. So we can write some examples also here. Write the examples.
Itself, there is one dot. That thing is the comma.
ITSELF itself.
Not a spelling, ma'am. One dot is there.
Not that.
Not a spelling. I'm asking what the dot.
This dot is full stop.
Yes, that is a full stop.
Okay.
And write one more example. 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. And we can write another one. It is 35 plus 0 is equal to 35 itself. Then 69 plus 0 is equal to 69.
69.
Yes, so whatever be the number, when you are adding with 0, we will get that same number. That is zero property. So sometimes the question will come like this way. 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. Which property of addition it shows? So what is the answer? Zero property of addition. Okay.
Ma'am, can I put my number? 15 plus 0.
Yes, you can write that also. 15 plus 0, you can write in your notebook.
We
15
can
plus
write
0.
our
All of you, please write one example yourself. Fourth example, you can write yourself. Please make any one example and write.
Ma'am, we need to write this example.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Write this example.
Need to write that. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, so next I'm going to write the second point.
Ma'am.
Yes. Next point is
Ma'am, itself.
itself. ITSELF. Next
Ma'am,
point is after numbers property.
Right.
Next point.
myself, right?
Yes. After numbers.
One example, ma'am.
Yes. All of you write one example. And no need to tell this one now. Somebody's voice is breaking. I don't know whose it is.
Elvin is saying something.
Elvin, please. I couldn't see your voice properly because of the network problem.
Saying something, but we cannot hear it.
Okay. So please write the next point. After numbers property. After numbers property. And what is that? When we add
Ma'am, where you like it's self.
itself is here. Itself. When we add 1 to a number, Ma'am,
Not here. You are right.
we get the number just after it. Just after it. Abel Anthony is present. Abel Anthony. Aman Babu.
Ma'am, Abhinav is present.
I will call your name. That time only you have to tell me present. Others, please be muted. Aman Babu is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about Avish Boban? Avish Boban. Devarsh K. Sahin. Esther Biju. Hadia Fatima. Hadia is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Hala Shrin. Hala. What about Ivan Saiju? Ivan Saiju, Ivania Saiju. Then Olivia. Pratik Sunil.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ryan Salish. Ryan. Okay.
Ma'am, Hamdan is present.
I noted the other names I noted. Okay. So here, let me ask to Ritik. Ritik Sunil, please unmute, my dear, and tell me one example for the second point. After numbers property, we can add any number with 1. So please tell any number with 1. Any 2-digit number. Any 2-digit number. Any 2-digit number. Please tell. 90 plus 1. What is the answer? 90 plus 1. 91. Very good. 90 plus 1 is equal to 91. Okay, Ritik. Thank you. Okay, the next question for Johan. Johan Sijo. Please tell, my dear, one example for this. Johan.
An example.
Example for after numbers property. Johan, any number you can tell.
16 plus 1.
16 plus 1. Very good. What is the answer? 16 plus 1.
17.
17. Very good. 16 plus 1 is 17. Okay, now I'm going to write the example. So please write it. After this, you have to write the examples.
Ma'am, can you write our imagination?
Yes, yes. All of you write one example of your own. Okay. Here I will write some examples. That also you have to write. First example is 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Next we can write 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. Then one more I will write here. 99 plus 1. What is the answer? 99 plus 1.
100.
Yes, 100. 99 plus 1 is 100. And after this, you can write one example for your own. Ivania Rose, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed?
One more.
One more. So, okay, which
One
example
more.
you are going to write now? I wrote 3 examples. Which is your example? One example.
50 plus 1.
50 plus 1 equal to?
51.
Okay, correct. Abel CB? Abel, what is your example? Which one you wrote? Your own.
Keyboard.
Abel,
No.
you didn't write. Okay, please write.
Ma'am, my example was 15 plus 1 equal.
Okay. So all of you write one number plus 1 and the next
Ma'am,
number also. Okay.
Anna write 2 number.
Okay, no problem. Then I'm going to write the third point, that is commutative property. Commutative property. Next point is C.
Don't believe me, just cry.
Commutative property. Please write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
commutative
Yes.
QM.
Yes. COMMUTATIVE.
Thank you, ma'am.
Commutative property. Double M is there. So, okay, what we told about this commutative property? We can change the order of the numbers and the sum will be the same answer, right? We can change the order of the numbers. So that is the next one, changing the order in which we add changing the order in which we add two numbers two numbers does not change their sum. Commutative property is changing the order in which we add two numbers does not change their sum.
Ma'am, two spelling or two, right?
TWO.
Two spelling or two, right?
Two spelling is there. TWO. Two.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you did not write the examples.
Yes. I'm going to ask that. So how to write the example of this commutative property? One example I will show you. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, isn't it? Then we can change the order that 2 plus 4 is 6. So here what we done? Here we changed the order. 4 plus 2 we changed to 2 plus 4. So is there anything happened to the answer? No. Answer is same. So like this, we can write some more examples.
I'm going to write another number.
Okay, Prithvi.
Before.
Prithvi, can you please tell one example for me? I'll write here.
6 plus 2.
6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to? What is the answer of 6 plus 2?
8.
8. And we can write
2 plus 6 equal
Yes.
to 8.
is equal to 8.
I'm a big example.
Abhinav, please tell me one 2-digit number.
Okay, ma'am.
2-digit number.
Okay.
99
99 plus 2.
99 plus
2.
2. Okay, let me write here. 99 plus 2. What is the answer of 99 plus 2?
102.
Once more add.
101.
Okay, 101. And we can write, we can change the order. How to change? 2 plus 99 is equal to 101. Okay, so all of you make your own one example. Please write.
Ma'am,
Hala?
finish.
Hala is there?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you are late for the class?
I have fever.
Fever.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will send the notes to the group also. So that time you have to copy. Today we discussed about properties of addition. Okay, properties of addition. Today we studied, we learn about properties of addition. There are three properties of addition. One is zero property, and the next one is after number property, and the third one is commutative property.
Okay, ma'am.
So these are the three important points we discussed today. So now it's the time to wind up the session. So balance, I will send to the group. The same notes I will send to the group also. So those who didn't complete, you can copy from there. Okay, children. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.